Kine sume, kemeni? Itani ugbume. Kene me Igbo?
Oye neme.
Oye
neme mo.
Uloni. Kine neso naga.
Aki botata.
Kemeni?
Owara yime.
Many for job. She can know.
Yes.
Many for job no.
Yes. Yes.
Anugboko. Anugboko. Kemeni?
Owara.
You didn't assume as if is this the first time you see me? Can it be the first time in our phone?
Yeah. Yes.
Ndo bi akobianu o onye kene aga otanu gbuma oge egbumo.
No bi biano ni
Oge egbumo. Oge egbumo. Okwe mlasola oge egbumo.
Ida allows Good na ko.
Can I me now?
Hey.
Allow me be now. Yeke je afia ogbe. Afia ogbe. Na ma shim bonyo kuzo. On the phone for like 8 years.
Yeah, local.
I been at my road. When I did at my road, when I in St. High School, Obiaroko. Then we were babu. Abo bi number. Wakba hey, go Hey, Elofume.
Also Sengo Gate now.
Sengo Gate, Njene Beniza. So now for comments in my comment section, the man say AI, AI yo. Ukwuani. Like I said, like my previous video, Mbiano Biaroko at the age of 3. So when we man in Mbo I'll be kush. So Ukwuani, you know. No, when I didn't at my road shop, my mother didn't Okozo. Jenny school ni Sengo Gate no Tagbono, you know, go get through to Tagbono. Shout out to Sengo Gate. So on the phone in Uncle Cliff record. As a matter of fact, Uncle Cliff is a co-founder of Blord Group. So when it's so much relationship with Obiaroko, and I cannot forget Obiaroko.
Blord is from Ebenebe community in Anambra State, but he grew up in Obiaroko community in Ukwuani land. He said that he entered Ukwuani community when he was 3 years old. He said that he lived in Okozo in Obiaroko community. There is a community in Obiaroko that is called Okozo, and that Okozo in Obiaroko migrated from Okozo in Anambra State. Blord was speaking Ukwuani. His wife, who is not from Ukwuani, understood what he is saying. He they speak Ukwuani, they give him wife. In wife, they understand Ukwuani. They reply her husband with her own Igbo dialect. When people from Okozo in Obiaroko community say that they are Igbo people, you will see some idiots from Benin Kingdom telling you, Obiaroko people are not Igbo people. Leave them alone. Ukwuani is Ukwuani. Igbo is Igbo. Why? They want Ukwuani people to stand alone. They want Ukwuani people to just say that they are Ukwuani, that they are not Igbo. When we Anima people tell you that we are Igbo people, you will see some idiots from Yarabala tell you that Anioma is not Igbo. But when it comes to the 1966 coup, those same idiots will tell you that Anioma is Igbo, that Kaduna Nzogo, the leader of the coup, is Igbo. Kaduna Nzogo, the alleged leader of the 1966 coup, is from Anioma land here. He's from Okpanam. Some Ukwuani people will tell you, Ukwuani language is not Igbo language. If Ukwuani language no be Igbo language, why is it that our Igbo brothers from the southeast understands Ukwuani dialect? If Blord tell his wife, Bia, his wife will come. Bia is coming Ukwuani dialect. Bia is still come in the dialect of our Igbo brothers in the southeast. J in Ukwuani means go. J in the southeast means go. Nni in Ukwuani means food. Nni in the southeast means food. Pronounce that thing for Ukwuani land. Now the same thing where they call that thing for southeast. Yet some Ukwuani people will tell you that Ukwuani is not Igbo. everything where Blord talk for that video, our Igbo brothers from the southeast, they hear and understood what he said. His wife there hears and understood what he is saying. Person where he say he no come from your Igbo region, but he dey hear and understand your Igbo dialect. Your mind supposed tell you say this person is your brother. Your mind supposed tell you say you are one people with this person. What our Igbo brothers in the southeast call the supreme being is Chukwu. What we Ukwuani people call the supreme being is Chukwu. The sense of those Ukwuani people where they deny their Igbo identity supposed to tell them say, we be one people with these people where they southeast too. Anyone from northern Nigeria that understands Igbo language, if that person enter Ukwuani land and hear Ukwuani people speak, that northerner will tell you that Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Yoruba people that understands Igbo language, they will tell you that Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Our neighbors Urobo people here are calling we Ukwuani people Igbo people. There are three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. They are Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Bia is talking about Igbo people. That Bia is not the only Bia speaking people in the southeast. Bia there is talking about Ndi Igbo, indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. Ndi Igbo are indigenous in all the southern states. They are indigenous in all the southeast states. And they are indigenous in Kogi and Benue states. All of them is 13 states. When they say Wazobia, we Ukwuani people are Bia people, we Ukwuani people are Igbo people. So many Ukwuani people are denying their Igbo identity out of fear. That the fear say, during the Biafra war, Anyama people were killed. Some of us were killed. And for that, we are not Igbo people. If we say we be Igbo now, as Nigeria hates Igbo for Southeast, they go still hate we Ukwuani people. So in order to be safe, let's be saying that we are not Igbo people. Who are you deceiving? The 1966 coup is called an Igbo coup because Kaduna Nzogo, the alleged leader of the coup, is from Anioma land here, and Anioma land is Igbo land. No sensible northerner will tell you that Anioma land, where Kaduna Zogo came from, is not Igbo. Who are Anioma people? Anioma people are the Igbo speaking people in Delta states. That is what people will tell you. They won't tell you that Anioma people are Ukwuani speaking people in Delta states. Anioma people are Eka speaking people in Delta states. Anioma people are Inuani speaking people in Delta states. No, they will tell you that Anioma people are Igbo speaking people in Delta states. Why are they Igbo speaking people? Because Ukwuani language is Igbo. Eka language is Igbo. Inuani language is Igbo. We speak Ukwuani, yes, we know Ukwuani is Igbo language. If Ukwuani is not Igbo language, why is it that every other Bia speaking people understands Ukwuani language? If they say the language of Ukwuani people na Bini language, nobody go dey call Ukwuani people Igbo people. And that's because their language is not an Igboid language. If they say our language for Ukwuani land na Bini, we Ukwuani people we go dey observe Bini culture and tradition. We Ukwuani people we go dey bear Bini names. Our music go be Bini music. Bini people are called Bini people because everything about them is Bini. Urobo people are called Urobo people because everything about them is Urobo. Their names, language, culture, and tradition is called Urobo. You can never call we Ukwuani people Urobo people. It's not possible. You can't call we Ukwuani people Bini people. It's not possible because we don't speak the same language with them. We don't observe the same culture and tradition with them. Look for the people in Nigeria that practice the same cultures and tradition that we practice in Ukwuani land. Is Bia speaking people. Some Ukwuani people will tell you we are from Bini. We are from Bini yet. No culture and tradition where they practice for Ukwuani land where Bini people they practice for their place. Some Ukwuani people will tell you that Igbo people don't understand Ukwuani language. That Ukwuani language is different from Igbo language. If an Igbo person from the southeast calls that Ukwuani person Ewu, the Ukwuani person will tell him, why are you calling me goat? If an Igbo person from the southeast call that Ukwuani person Onyenzuzu, the Ukwuani person will tell him, stop insulting me. How he take understand that thing where our Igbo brother from southeast they talk? All those words where our Igbo brothers from southeast they tell them, we also say those things in Ukwuani language. If to say that Ukwuani person they talk true, say Igbo people from the southeast don't understand Ukwuani language, how that Ukwuani person take understand the word Onyenzuzu and Ewu? When I tell you that we Ukwuani people don't understand Yoruba language, I am right, because nothing Yoruba people won't speak for their side and make we Ukwuani people hear. If Yoruba people like may they speak from now till tomorrow, we Ukwuani people cannot understand one thing. If Urhobo people speak from now till tomorrow, we Ukwuani people cannot understand one thing. Ukwuani is not Igbo. We don't speak Igbo language. People that don't know the difference between language and dialect. Whether we Ukwuani people like it or not, Ukwuani is an Igbo dialect. Ukwuani is not a separate language from Igbo language. Ukwuani is an Igbo dialect. So many Ukwuani people have been doing everything possible to make sure that Ukwuani language stands alone, to make sure that Ukwuani stands separate as an ethnic nationality. But they still work. That is because other people in Nigeria are calling we Ukwuani people Igbo people. As Ikwere people did that place, they say they not be Igbo people, yet Ijaw people they call Ikwere people Igbo people. Other tribes and ethnic nationalities in Rivers State are calling Ikwere people Igbo people. The other day, I made a video when an Ijaw man is saying that now he understands that Ikwere people are Igbo people. That if Ikwere people are not Igbo people, why are they rotating power to only the Igbo speaking regions in Rivers State and not to non-Igbo speaking people in Rivers State? The closest brother of Ikwere people in that Rivers State is Opobo people, is Echie people, is Oba people, is Ekpe people, is Ndoni people, is Ndoki people, and so on. Ikwere person no go fit tell you say Ijaw person na him closest brother. It's not dey possible. You no go try am. Me Ukwuani person no go fit tell you say Urhobo people are my closest brothers more than Ika people. It's not dey possible. I can never tell you that Isoko people are my closest brothers more than Enuane people, more than my Igbo brothers in the southeast. It's not possible. Politics in Delta State, Urhobo people and Isoko people, there be one for where politics dey. Even as Urhobo they talk say they not be Isoko, Isoko they talk say they not be Urhobo. There still be one people, whether they like it or not. And we Anima people, we they see Urhobo and Isoko people as people where they together, because they speak the same language, they observe the same culture and tradition. The same way we Anima people see Urhobo and Isoko people together is the same way Urhobo and Isoko people sees we Ukwuani, Eka and Enuane together. They don't say we Anima people now one block. They don't say we Anima people we they speak the same Igbo language with different dialects. The dialect of Urhobo people is different from the dialect of Isoko people, yet they understand each other. The supreme being in Urhobo is called Ogene. The supreme being in Isoko is called Ogene. That is to tell you that they are one people. The supreme being in Ukwuani is called Chukwu. Is also called Chukwu in Eka. Is also called Chukwu in Enuane. In the southeast, is also called Chukwu. And person go tell you say Anima people are not Igbo people. Urhobo person no go fit tell you say he choose Ukwuani people over Isoko people. It's not possible. If you be Ukwuani person, they feel say if we Ukwuani people get issue, say Urhobo people now go stand up for us. Say Urhobo people go defend us with their last blood. Say Urhobo people they see us as one people with them. Just know say you are not Ukwuani person, you not get sense. This is a fact. Urhobo when not they speak Ukwuani. Urhobo when not they bear the same name with us. They are different people entirely from us. You want to make them carry your matter for head. You they see them as brother. Pass our Igbo brothers in the southeast. How some of our Ukwuani people take the reason? Yoruba people in the southwest are fully in support of Ishekiri people in Delta State. They stand with Ishekiri people. Yet, our Igbo brothers for Southeast where we say they stand with we Ukwuani people, they support we Ukwuani people, they love we Ukwuani people. Some Ukwuani people they say we not the Igbo people, we Ukwuani people, we speak Ukwuani, Igbo people speak Igbo. They don't understand Ukwuani, we don't understand Igbo. But if Igbo person for Southeast call you Ewu, you go understand. If you call you Yenzuzu, you go understand. How you take understand what they talk if you know be Igbo person? How you take understand what they talk if you know be Igbo they speak? Ukwuani people, let's stop denying our Igbo identity. We are Igbo people. We will never allow the enemies of Igbo nation to divide Igbo nation with lies and propaganda. Ukwuani, Ika, Enuani, Ikwere, Ndoni, Opobo, and the rest. We are Igbo people. The indigenous Igbo people in the South are all Igbo people. Let's stop denying our Igbo identity. Igbo Bofu, Ishewale.